Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to edit profile photo on Facebook account. Friends, you want to set up your profile photo setting. So friends, now let's see how to set up and how to edit profile photo on Facebook account. One by one we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So now first of all we will turn on Facebook application in mobile. After turn Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So as on your Facebook, tap on your profile. After tap on your profile friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, on your Facebook account, edit profile option, tap here, edit profile option. After tap friends, you can see profile picture you want to edit in your mobile in your Facebook, so you can edit. Example friends, tap here, edit option. First of all you can select any photos friends. You can see photos, suggested photo you want to check here, so you can check here. So camera roll, we will tap here, select any photo. For an example friends, I will select any photo. This photo I will select. After select photo, adjust your photo, tap here, you can adjust your photo. Okay friends, after adjust photo, you want to add any sticker, tap here sticker. You want to add any sticker, you want to search any sticker, so friends you can add sticker from here. So for example, I will add this sticker. We will wait here. So friends, you can edit your profile picture. Net issue. So now friends, we will tap here, tags option, tap here. You want to write something else, so you can write profile photo. I will edit here, I will tap here. Friends, you can see tool option. You want to mark here, so you can mark here, and you can reset here also. The setup, tap here, done option, and again friends I will tap here, profile photo sticker. Friends, we will wait for a while. Friends, your sticker will show, adjust your sticker. Okay, now friends tap here, done option, photo will edit, save option. Your profile picture will edit, your profile picture will save. Friends, you can check uploading, and we will wait. So like that friends, you can edit your profile picture, you can set your new profile picture on your Facebook ID. So when we will wait here friends, you can check, photo will edit, come back, tap here, you can check your profile picture. So like that you can edit your profile picture. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.